Good morning students. How are you all? We will continue with explanation of chapter number 15, Light, session number 4. In last sessions children, we have discussed about rectilinear propagation of light, plane surfaces. We have discussed about reflection, concave mirror, convex mirror. Regarding to that we have seen different activities. Right children? Now today we are going to learn about images formed by lenses. Right children? Now lenses, you must have seen children that people are wearing lenses in their eyes to correct their numbers, to remove the spectacles. Then lenses are used in cameras, microscopes. Then we have seen many different uses of lenses, like it is put in telescope, right? So today we are going to learn about the vision from lenses, right? So images formed by lenses. A magnifying glass is used to read very small print. You must have seen magnifying glass also children. It is a circular shape with a handle here, right? And here the lens is fit inside it. Okay, now what type of lens is there? So that we can see the writing in big form, right? Though it is a very tiny writing, we are using magnifying glass to read that, and it shows the writing in the enlarged form. So the magnifying glass is actually a type of lens. So a type of lens is fitted into this magnifying glass. Lenses are widely used in spectacles, telescopes and microscopes, in cameras also. So these are the places where you can find that transparent lens. Those lenses which feel thicker in the middle than at the edges are called convex lens. So this convex lens is fit into the magnifying glass. Now we are going to learn about it. Now you can see this diagram which I have drawn. It is of convex lens. So at the end it is thin, right? At the edges it is thin and thicker in the center. So in the center part is thick. Now you can see there is a pointed part on the edges, and in the center it is thick. So that type of lens is called as convex lens. So convex lens is fit into the magnifying glass. So we can see the enlarged image of the object, right? Next, those lenses feel thinner in the middle and then are called concave lens. Now in center it is thinner. You can see here it is, this part is thin, right? And the edges are thicker. So here what happens children, this is called as concave lens, right? So it is having little bit hollow shape into the center of both the sides, right? So always remember children that convex is O, concave lens is I. It forms the I shape, right? So the lenses are transparent and light can pass through it. Now lenses are transparent. It is not like concave and convex mirror. Mirror is having C shape and D shape, but it is coated on one side so that the image is formed on the mirror. But here we are having transparent glass. So this transparent glass can pass all the lights through it, right? So they are called as lenses. Now the lenses which we are putting in our eyes, it is also transparent. Then only we can see on the opposite sides, right? So concave lens, it shows the object in smaller size. And in concave lens, you can see the enlarged image of the object. So this was about concave lens and convex lens. Now we are going to learn about the color of light. Now children, what is color of light? Everybody will tell me that ma'am, light is white color. But how it is white, that we are going to discuss in details. Light that is colorless is called white light, because when the day starts, when the sun starts coming out, it starts emitting light, right? So we can see everything white, means we are able to see everything. In dark, we are not able to see many things, right? So white light is a mixture of light of 7 colors. Now you will be shocked that white light is having 7 colors? Yes, it is true. The color white we are getting from the 7 colors of the light. So a rainbow has 7 colors, okay? You must have seen rainbow, children, in rainy season, right? So the rainbow is showing 7 colors. So the set of colors formed on splitting white light is called spectrum of white light. Now I have shown this spectrum. Now this is prism, okay? This is prism. Now when a beam of light is passing through the prism, okay, when a beam of light is passing through the prism, you can see different color lights. Now which color you can see when the light is spreaded? This colors appears in the order violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now these are the 7 colors of the rainbow, right? And when the light is spreaded out, the same 7 colors are coming out of the prism. So we can see that 7 colors. So one thing we can mark here, children, is that the white color consists of 7 colors, right? So you can remember it as VIBGYOR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So this is the sequence which the light is formed, right? That is VIBGYOR. Now related to this, we will prove with one activity that light is white color. Now take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter diameter. You have to take a cardboard disc with 10 centimeter diameter. Now divide the disc into 7 equal segments. You have to make 7 segments into the disc like this. And in that you have to color the segments with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red with VIBGYOR. So each triangle you will color with single color which is given here, that is 7 colors of rainbow. After that you will make a hole in center and you will fix a refill with the help of pin in such a way that the disc is free from the stick. You can roll the disc easily, right? So rotate the disc in the daylight, the disc appears to be whitish. Now if you will rotate the disc continuously, okay, it is having 7 colors, right? So in the daytime when you rotate the disc, you will see the white color formed on the disc. So such a disc is popularly known as Newton's disc. Right, children? This disc is called as Newton's disc. So please do remember, children, this can be asked in your MCQ, fill in the blanks or answer in one sentence questions also. Right, children? So today we have discussed about images formed by the lenses. We have discussed about two lenses, concave lens and convex lens. Concave lens is thicker in the center and thinner on the ends, right? Convex lens is thick in the center and to the points it is thin. Concave lens is thick on the ends and thin in the center. So we have seen which type of image is formed by the two lenses, right? Then we have discussed about the color of light, how it is white, how many colors light is consisting, that is 7 rainbow colors that we have discussed, that is VIBGYOR. You will remember the 7 colors with the word VIBGYOR, right? So with this we complete explanation of our chapter, and in next session we will start with our solution part of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day, children.